Namaskar everyone, my name is Astro Anshul. I'm an astrologer, numerologist and Vastu consultant. Today I'll share with you Saturn in the third house. What all Saturn gives when it comes in the third house, which is the house of your sibling. Third house shows your communication skills. Third house is the house of courage. So what happens when Saturn, which is a planet which shows delays in your life, which shows hurdles and struggles in your life, comes in your third house? This all will be discussed in this video, so I'll request you all to subscribe the channel and press the bell notification. I welcome you all. Well, what is third house? Third house is the house of courage. Third house shows how much effort you are able to put when you have to achieve something in your life, how much determined you are towards your goal. That courage, that enthusiasm in your life to attain your goals is shown by the third house. How strongly you will be able to stand up when you fall in your life, how easily or how strongly you will be bouncing back from adverse situations which will come up in your life. That is shown by this third house, how strong your third house is. If the planets sitting in the third house are showing good results, then the person will be very courageous. Third house also shows writing and paperwork skills of a person. This is the ideal placement for a person who's a very good writer. Whenever the dasha or the bhukti of the third house will be running, the person will be inclined towards writing, writing or writing a novel, writing books. So this is what third house gives. But coordinates also should be there which will support writing and paperwork of a person. This is the ideal placement for a person who's into short travel work, whose job is to travel at short distance places, or who is a frequent traveler. More often he's been traveling to other places. Third house also shows your younger sibling. The relations you have with your younger sibling are shown by the third house. If the planets which are sitting in the third house are very strong, very positive planets, or planets which are giving the result of benefic houses, or which are benefic planets are sitting in the third house with the in their exalting position, then that shows the person will be having strong siblings, or their siblings will be in a very good position and they will always be there to support them if their third house is strong. Their younger siblings will be able to help them, not elder sibling. I'm talking about younger siblings, because third house is the house of younger siblings. Okay, so third house shows communication, the communication that you do with others. Lot more paperwork you will be doing in the office, that is shown by the third house. Third house also shows media and advertising. Those who are into media and advertising business, the third house shows that kind of creativity. Plus, when it is accompanied by fifth house, their creativity rises. So third house, which shows advertisement connected with fifth house, shows a combination of a person who's very good in advertising industry or creative industry. So Saturn, which is the planet of which is a malefic planet, or Saturn is very slow moving planet. Saturn shows struggle in a person's life. The person will not be able to attain things that he wants in his life. It will be delayed longer. Then the results will be very much delayed whenever the Saturn will be coming in the DB or the Dasha Bhukti of the person. So as you can see, third house is the house of courage. Third house is the house of younger siblings. So when Saturn, which is a planet of delay, which is a planet of struggle, comes in your third house, what all results a person will expect? Well, when Saturn comes here, the delays happens in a person's life. His courage will become very lending process. Like suppose this person who has a Saturn in the third house, he goes for an interview somewhere. Then the other person who doesn't have Saturn in the third house will get or selected in the interview after giving 4 or 5 interviews. He will get selected in one of them. But the person who has Saturn in the third house, he would have to give somewhere 20 to 30 interviews, then only he will get selected in one. So what is happening here? Saturn is prolonging the results of the third house. So his courage will be strong, but the things will be very much delayed in his life when Saturn is placed here, because Saturn is a slow moving planet. It shows struggle, it shows time. It takes prolonged, like it takes longer than usual for a person to get what he wants in his life. This also ruins the relationship of the younger sibling here. When Saturn is placed in the third house, the relationship with your younger siblings will be very distorted. Like you will not be in talking terms with them, or whenever your communication will happen, you will prefer not to talk to them. You will, maintain a kind of distance with them. Or if your second house is bad, then you will get into argument with them, or you will not be able to maintain a good relations with them when Saturn is placed in the third house. This also makes a person a good writer when Saturn is placed here, because this person will be able to write lengthy books. Like he will be a good novelist. These people will be thinking a lot, and they will be deep thinkers. And because Saturn is here, their thinking will be very, continuous process. Like if they want to write one page, the other person who doesn't have Saturn in the third house, they will be able to write 1 or 2 pages of a novel in a day or two. But these people will be thinking so long that they will write that paper, or they will write that 1 page in 10 to 12 days. But ultimately the results will be very good, because placement of Saturn here will give them a result, but after very much struggles, after working so long on the novels and all, they will get the result. Saturn in the third house also increases the significance of the second house of a person. So what do I mean by increasing the significance of the second house? I mean by that is the second house is the house of family. Second house also shows your speaking, your tongue. Second house also shows your income, the money that you get. So when third house dasha starts, or when third house has Saturn here, it will increase the significance of your second house. So the person will be able to earn good money in their life. These people will be able to earn well, because from second house, third house is the second from second house. So it will increase the aspects, it will increase the significance, or it will increase the traits of the second house in a person's life. So wealth will improve, and they will be able to maintain good relations with their family members, and their communication will improve with their family too. Okay, this is what will happen when Saturn is placed here. Okay, but they will always have problem in writing and paperwork. Writing and paperwork will not be that easy for them to do. They will take more time in order to do the paperwork and communication, because Saturn here will delay their process of executing what is being given to them. For example, if they've been working in an office, if somebody has asked them to write this letter, then they might take the work which is there for 15 or 20 minutes, they will take 1 hour, 2 hours, or maybe the whole day to write a single page of letter. So this is what Saturn puts a hurdle in the aspects or the traits of the third house. So guys, this was my observation of Saturn in the third house. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and press the bell notification.